What's going on, everybody? We got some breaking news. If they're not panicking, why should we? Because we got another trillion level player joining the race as we are waiting for a few days now. Justin, 4.5 trillion asset manager Fidelity, company that most of us got for retirement purposes or stocks, joins filing registration with the SEC for its spot Bitcoin ETF. Wow. But wait, don't we are gonna go just much lower because price is crashing? Who cares if price is crashing? They are not panicking. They're going all in. They're filing. They know their clients want Bitcoin ETF as soon as possible. And no matter what a magazine headlines say, we're going higher, everybody. Let me tell you what's going on. Don't forget to smash the like button and consider subscribing to the channel. Welcome, everybody. This is incredible. Less than 30 minutes ago, people are going insane about this because it's big. Now you're adding 20 to 30 trillion dollars because this is crazy. Has approved Fidelity application for the listing of its shares of trust for the spot Bitcoin ETF. Here you go. Fidelity Wise Origin Bitcoin Fund, the trust, an application for listing. A lot of people coming in, everybody, which we like it. And not only because there's a lot, like everyone wants a piece of Bitcoin at this time. BlackRock is obviously number one as the major trillion level holder, and they just want more. Now, check this out. We have Grayscale, ARK Invest, BlackRock, Bitwise, BanEck, Wisdom Tree, Invesco, Galaxy. We got Wise Origin, Valkyria, Hashtags, Franklin, and now please add Fidelity. Go ahead and add them all up. You're looking at trillions of dollars now. Custodian, Coinbase, Gemini, Fidelity, and obviously now JP Morgan is also going to be another one because guess what? Yes, the first word telling everybody, hey, no, it's a scam, it's a fraud. And we saw some of the prices go down because, I mean, these are people that are managing some of the biggest companies in the entire world here in the US as well. But no, what they're doing is trying to make sure that all the whales get the cheapest Bitcoin and crypto possible by letting us sell. It's not going to happen, guys. It's just not going to happen. I'm not going to let them come in and just devastate the entire market because they want to buy cheaper everything. So these are great news, guys. I think 3 hours, we're going to see how the market has changed and pivoted, but it's still going to be greedy. I think right now, all of us are looking into who else is going to be joining the arena. Vanguard, Fidelity, BlackRock, the whole deal. The SEC is holding meetings today with the New York Exchange, NASDAQ, CBOE to finalize comments on spot Bitcoin ETF, reports Fox Business, because they want to have a complete agenda of how they're going to unleash all of the news. Goldman Sachs is in talks to be an authorized participant for BlackRock and Grayscale spot Bitcoin ETF. It's funny, unbelievable and relentless amount of crypto news coming our way, financial news coming our way, economic news coming our way. And I know it might be a somewhat overwhelming because now more than ever, we want to be in touch with what's going on with Bitcoin and the next digital wave of financial freedom. And it's going to be through cryptocurrency. They know it. Gold, metals, what do you call it? Other different ETFs and industries, they're a thing of the past. Now they're looking into Bitcoin because they know everyone is watching it and they're trying to put the best mark on it. Everyone right now is reacting to this 4.5 trillion spot ETF. This is really good. And today, right? Good reminder, 15 years celebrating Bitcoin's birthday. So another reminder, guys, that this is not a coincidence. There's obviously a reason why they're trying to buy as many and as much. Now, we got this yesterday, and Jim Cramer says, you know what? Good things about Bitcoin. Inverse Cramer, price goes down. Reality, he said it yesterday, nothing happened to the price. So today's lesson is just because people are trying to get as much as possible of the cheap Bitcoin, and that's it, which is good. Right now, for the price of us, let's go to the 1 day. As long as we maintain a steady move in this rectangle, then we're gonna see asymmetrical move for the price of Bitcoin in the 40s high 30s and mid 40s. That's it. That's as far as how we're gonna go because this is still not yet going down to $40,000. Rejected really nice at 40, which is nice just for a few minutes. Meaning there's still a lot of people holding at 42 and knowing that best things are yet to come. No need to panic, but there's still a lot of people saying let's cash out all the nice profit that we have accumulated because let me remind you where we're coming from of $25,000 just 4 months ago. 4 months ago, $25,000. So people are more than willing to sell 10% of their positions to make a lot of money. And in that journey, let other people sell so they can come back and buy cheaper Bitcoin. $4.5 trillion, some a price that I'll never have in my life. And I'm okay with it. But it's crazy that so easily. I remember when BlackRock announced they filed their first, the spot Bitcoin ETF, and the price of Bitcoin skyrocketed. Now with Fidelity, the price of Bitcoin is doing nothing. Why? Well, they don't want to get in yet. They want more blood. Just makes total sense, guys. It makes total sense. So, FYI, as we're going in, we might have more of this. We might have more of this. Um, I read a lot of articles saying that this upcoming Bitcoin halving is going to be a sell the news event. I also read a bunch of articles saying that the approval of the Bitcoin ETFs is also a sell the news event. Now, as we hear the first headlines of Bitcoin ETF rejection, it does look like a sell the news event. What out of all those three, you see what's the common denominator, right? Sell the news event, meaning oftentimes it pays to do the total opposite because it could happen. It could be a complete ballistic price explosion all the way passing $50,000. I wouldn't want to buy Bitcoin at $50,000 at that great candlesticks, knowing that I could have purchased at 42 right now. Just as simple as it gets. So stay alert because if you don't want to get them, they will. MicroStrategy, Michael Saylor, gonna be selling hundreds of millions of dollars to buy more Bitcoin for his own personal portfolio. We saw it yesterday in the live happening. BlackRock, of course, wants everything. The US government owns Bitcoin. All the seas Bitcoin. So it's not a matter of if, it's a matter of when things are gonna get really crazy. And at that point, it's gonna be too late for a lot of retail investors. There you have it, everybody. You've been updated. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. Take a look at the links down below. Create your account on BingX up to $5,000. And I'll see you next time. Relentless amount of crypto news. I love it. Peace.